We're going down the row on the tools here, and God bless it. Just trying to get my timer. I'm a little late on my timer started, so I can keep track of time as I'm talking. So we got the clipping path. This was the clipping path. These are your options. Add a selection to shift, so we can add or minus selection. So if I want to add more to it, okay, I believe hold shift down. You can see I'm making another box, and it should add to it. Yep. So now you can see I have more of a clipping path going on. Let's zoom in. So you can see, should be able to see the clipping path has expanded. We can use this one. And I know I got a lag uploading photos. I'm sorry. And then we can put another box inside. And boom, you can see there's a clipping path inside. So if I cut this, what's inside here will stay inside there. There's a lot of feathering going on, but it should gradate or whatever. Okay, it's going to cut all this other stuff off. So let me show you. We go to edit. Of course, we got cut, copy, paste, clear, blah, blah, blah. We go to cut. See, we feathered the edges on this one. This one's all sharp, and this one is feathered because we have the feathering up and so forth. So we're going to go back to unlock clear. So we got it nice and clean using the history. This is the lasso. Lasso, you can select things. So as it says here, select freehand polygon and magical lasso and so forth. This is the free one. So you can draw whatever on the pad, and once you connect it, it'll create a clipping path that you can cut, manipulate, or whatnot. All right. We have the same options here. We can add more, we can take away. This one is for more precise. So this is hand drawn that we did here for this one, free. This is more precise. You click and you drag and click again, and you can cut out sharp geometrical shapes and also manipulate wherever you want. Feathering is done. So if you wanted to paint in here a certain thing, you can make that your focus, and then you can do a paint bucket in here or whatnot. There's other options you can once you've selected this. You can cut it. That's basically the main things that I'm showing you with these shapes. All right. This one bends. So you can, it's like the other one, but you can bend and manipulate. See how that's bending? And get unique shapes that way that you couldn't get with the freehand, really, because you'll have a little bit more control over how it bends. Some might find it easier, and this one's magnetic. It basically tries to pick what you're doing. All right. This one tool right here, magic wand, it basically it can pick whole areas. So see, it can pick entire areas, and it's easier for selecting large areas of the same color. You can add, take away, same thing. All right. This ends the video on the second video on all clipping paths. So I hope you've enjoyed this wonderful, wonderful video while I search for how to shut it down. And